Hello my dear students. Today we will start the class 7th chapter number 11 lines and angles. In the previous classes I have already discussed the some exercises questions of exercise 11.1. Some questions are remain in this exercise. Now today we will complete these questions. First questions are given question number 11. From the adjacent figure, find the value of x, y and z. Find the value of x, y and z. In this classes, I have already discussed the vertically opposite angle. Now, any line, two line segment are intersect, then intersecting point, then forming an adjacent angle, and this type of angle is called the vertically opposite angle. It means this angle is equals to this angle and this angle is equals to this angle. It means angle Z is equals to 28 degree by vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle Z is equals to 28 degree. And pair of linear pair, due to linear pair, then sum of angles is equals to 180 degree. Then total sum x plus 28 is equals to 180 degree. X plus 28 is equals to 180 degree. Now x is equals to 180 minus 28 degree. 180 minus 28. 180 minus 28 is equals to 152. 152 degree. It means value of x is equals to 152 degree. If the value of x is equals to 152 degree, then same value of y, because both are a vertically opposite angle. Angle x is equals to angle y. Angle x is equals to angle y. Both are vertically opposite angle. X is equals to y. It means x is equals to y. Then if x is equals to 152, then y is equals to also 152 degree. Then it is answer. It's question number 11. Now question number 12. Question number 12. In triangle PQR, sides PR and QR are extended to B and A respectively. If ARB is equals to 62 degree, then find the angle PRQ and angle BRQ. PRQ, PRQ. This angle PRQ, and second angle BRQ. This angle. Then first, some points are given ARB. ARB is given 62 degree. ARB is given 62 degree. Then same process apply in the earlier question number 11. Both are a two line segment, are two rays intersect, then intersecting point, then forming a vertically opposite angle. It means ARB is equals to PRQ, because both are a vertically opposite angle. If one angle is given, ARB is equals to 62 degree. Now PRQ is also 62 degree, because both are a vertically opposite angle. Angle ARB is equals to angle PRQ, vertically opposite angle. Due to vertically opposite angle, both angles are equal. It means angle PRQ, angle ARB is equals to given 62 degree. Now angle PRQ is also 62 degree. PRQ is 62 degree. Then second is how to find angle BRQ. BRQ. AQ is a straight line. Then sum of a total linear pair, sum of angles is equals to 180 degree. It means 62 degree plus angle BRQ is equals to 180 degree. So angle BRQ is equals to 180 minus 62 degree. 180 minus 62 degree. Then angle BRQ is equals to 118 degree. 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 It is answer. Angle BRQ is equals to 118 degree. Now complete this question number 11 and question number 12. Now one questions are given. Question number 5. Question number 5 in the given figure, name each linear pair of a vertically opposite angles. Each linear pair of a vertically opposite angle. Many of the angles forming of a vertically opposite angle, because A and D is vertically opposite angle, B and C is vertically opposite angle, E and J vertically opposite angle, I and F vertically opposite angle, H and K and G and L, it is vertically opposite angle. And also find the linear pair. Linear pair, it means A and B, A and C, B and D. Many of the angles are forming. Then you can write answer of this question: linear pair and adjacent angle or vertically opposite angle. Questions are only answer linear pair and vertically opposite angle. Then first write the linear pair: AB, AC, BD, CD. Many of the answer. EF is a linear pair, or FJ, JI, IE, it is a linear pair. GH, LK, HL, GK, it is a linear pair. Second is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles is also described: A and D, B and C, E and J, F and I, G and L, and K and H. It is the answer. Now complete these questions and exercise 11.1 is completed. Next video I will discuss the exercise 11.2 and some concept also related to exercise 11.2. Okay, thank you students.